beautiful out, right?
It's probably
Super beautiful. It's super boring, Twinkle. No, I want something more fun, Twinkle. Wow, you stole my worst, Twinkleping. But that's what I wanted to do as well, Sparkle. You know what would be fun, Heartsping? What? Studying. Sounds like fun to me. We're gonna go studying. Okay? Okay.
Yo pensé que ya te había sido.
Now that they're gone, we can go play. Twinkle? Sounds like a good idea. Let's go, Sparkle. So, let's go here. Hey, we're here. It's so good, right? Hey, Twinkleping. What? I want to do something. Okay. What do you want to do, Twinkle? What I want to do is that when Shimmerping and Heartsping get back, we can prank them. Sounds good, but do you think it's going to be funny? I don't know. Oh well. Wait, we should, you remember what happened last time with the cookies? They got burned. It was all our fault. Well, yeah, but it doesn't matter. Let's just prank them. Okay. What should the prank be, Twinkle? I don't know. It should probably be like we're gone, and that we move somewhere else because we're bored in there. It doesn't sound fun, but we'll give it a try. Where should we go? I don't know. Go. Over there. Where? Oh, the trampoline. Okay, let's go. But meanwhile, Twinkleping and Sparkleping went over there. Shimmerping and Heartsping came back. We're home. We're back. It was super cool, right? Yeah, watching the trees and stuff. The air was good. I miss you, trees. Anyways, where are they? I don't know. It says news that they're gone. They paused. They're gone. What? This is a joke, Shimmer. A joke? Yeah, sometimes Sparkleping plays pranks, and Twinkleping gets somehow in it as well. Oh. Let's just go see where they are, okay? Okay. But let's pretend to be scared. That would be a better prank. Let's go, Shimmer. Shimmerping, I think this is a genius plan. Now I know why we should study hard. To be geniuses, too. Just right. Now, where are those two? I don't know. And meanwhile, Heartsping and Shimmerping look coming back from the trampoline and playing hide and seek. Found you. I get you. Okay. You're stuck. Why did you hide super deep, Sparkle? I don't know, Twinkle. I got this. What? Guys, are you sure you'll be okay, Twinkle? Of course, I'm gonna be fine. Can't get you. That's it. We're gonna need something long. Wait right here. And meanwhile, Sparkleping looked and looked for a long item. Poor Twinkleping was getting stressed. Oh, when is Sparkleping gonna come?